I made $60 with print on demand by using a website that is getting almost 700 million monthly visits. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can dropship print on demand products on one of the biggest websites on the internet. And also, this method is a bit complicated, and also during the video I'm going to give you one really important advice. So it is really important for you to watch this video very carefully. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to find a print-on-demand company that will actually make that t-shirt, that mug, that hat, that bag, or whatever we are actually selling. Now, for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Printful, but you can use any other print-on-demand company. So what you need to do, you need to sign up for a free account. Just click here on Sign Up, and then all you have to do is and you can register with Gmail account, Apple account, Facebook account, or you can simply click here, sign up with email. Add your name, your email, your password, click here on sign up and confirm your email and you are good to go. But what you need to do next is you actually need to add your design. So what we need to do, we need to actually click here on product templates. That is really important. And now we need to add a template for our product. What product we wish to make. So for the purpose of this video, I actually wish to create a t-shirt. So what I need to do, I need to click here, create more products. And now I can choose, for example, men's clothes. So I will click here because I am a man. And now I wish to sell a t-shirt. So I will click here on t-shirts. And here I can choose a different t-shirt. So for example, for the purpose of this video, I will just choose this one here. Just click here, and here you can see how much this t-shirt initially costs. That is how much this t-shirt is actually costing Printful, okay? So now we need to add our design. So now we need to add our design. So just click here, and then just click here on Upload New File, and I will just upload a new file. Let's just say, for example, I wish to use this one here, so I will just click here, and I will give it a second to actually upload this on my Printful account. So next thing I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to find that image. This is the image, just click here on apply, and it will now add this design on my t-shirt, okay? This is how it looks. Like I said, this is for the purpose of this video. If you actually drag this, you can make it smaller, something like this, okay? And this is how it looks. Here you can see how it looks on different products, okay? So what I need to do, I need to further edit this. So I will go here on product, and here I need to choose what kind of print I wish to make. I wish to make DTG print, okay? And then here I need to choose colors. Now I will choose just one color. Later in the video you will see why I will choose just one color, okay? Here I will choose just a few sizes. I will actually eliminate these sizes here. Like I said, later in the video, you will see why I actually do this. So what you need to do next, you need to click here on Save to Template, okay? So next thing we need to do, this is really important. You need to click here on Billing Methods because we need to add a payment method because we wish to get money from the Printful, okay? And then here you need to add your payment method. You need to add PayPal, and you also need to add a PayPal business account, and you need to confirm that PayPal account. If you don't verify that PayPal account, then you won't be able to receive money. That is really important. So next thing we need to do, we need to start selling that t-shirt, in this case t-shirt, but you can sell mugs, hats, candles, whatever you want. Now for that we are going to use eBay. Yes, you can dropship products, you can dropship print-on-demand products on eBay. So what you need to do, you need to click here on register and you need to create a new account. Now here you can see personal or business account. Now if you are going to make a lots of sales, then I would suggest to use business account. But if you are a beginner, then I would suggest to use personal account. So what you need to do, you need to add your first name, you need to add your last name, you need to add your email, your password, click here, create account. Or you can simply create account by using Gmail, Facebook, or Apple. I will pause this video until I create my eBay account. Okay, I created a new eBay account, and here you can see I actually need to verify my Pioneer account, otherwise I won't be able to sell any products here on eBay. And also because this is a new account, here you can see only zeros. So what you need to do, you need to start selling, okay? You need to verify your PayPal account or your Pioneer account, and then you need to start selling. So when you click here on sell, you won't actually see anything. You will come to this page here. Here you can see your design, and here you can see some more informations. Here you can see you can list up to 250 items for free. So you actually need to click here on My eBay, and then you need to hover over My eBay. And then when you click here on Selling, here you can see more informations. Here you can see how many products. Here you can see you can actually list 70 items. And you will see in a minute why I actually did that. Here you can see I can make up to $3,500 per month on eBay account because this is a new account. But we are not done yet. What we need to do, we need to go back here on Printful, and then we need to click here on Stores, and we need to connect Printful with eBay. So you need to scroll here, click here on Choose Platform, and here you can see all the available platforms. As you can see, there is lots of platforms. So let me just find, okay, you need to click here, Connect with eBay. And then here you can see they actually added a video tutorial how to connect Printful with eBay. Here you can see exact steps. So what you need to do, you need to click here on Connect to eBay. Now I already connected my account to eBay, as you can see here. So I just go back here. It's actually really simple to do. And then you need to fulfill all the fields here, and that's it. You connected your account. You connected your Printful account with eBay. But this is important. What often happens is that you will get a message like this here on Printful, that you cannot list a product from Printful on eBay. And that is because you actually need to go back here on eBay and you need to list your first item manually. After you list that first item manually, then you will be able to list products directly here from Printful on eBay. Now, how do you do that? Well, you simply go back here on Product Templates, okay? And then this is the template that I actually created. So click here, Add to Store. And now I can add this product to my store. Now, what I need to do, I actually need to choose just one color because like I said, when we go back here we can see that we can add only 70 items. Now, each color and each size represents one item. So the more colors you add, the more sizes you add, the more items you will have. So it can often happen that you will have 90, 100, even 120 items from just one design. And that is why I chose just one color and just a few most popular sizes. After that, just click here, Proceed to Mockup, okay? And now we need to choose a mockup. Now I will choose this mockup here, just click here, and I will choose one of these. So for example, I just say this one here, okay? And here you can see how this actually looks. Click here. Here you can see this will actually cost $12.75. Click here on Continue. And here you can add title of your t-shirt. In this case, you can, like I said, you can add mugs, candles, bags, hats, or whatever you want. Here you can add, you can see description. You can change this title, this description. I usually leave it as it is. Now, here you can choose environmental quality. I leave it as it is. Here you can see man, because this is a man t-shirt. Here you can see attach size guide. I always check that because I wish for people to see sizes. I also choose metric and also imperial. That is a nice detail because many people wish to see sizes in metric or sizes in imperial. That is why I choose both, okay? And here you can see sizes. Click here on Continue. And here you can see all the variations. Here you can see I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 items, okay? So I can add additional 65 items. Click here on Continue. Here you can see how this actually looks. Here you can see available stores retail, $3,442 from $3,500. I only listed 4 products, 4 items. I can list additional 66, okay? And I need to click here, Submit to Store, and that's it. I will submit this t-shirt on my store, on my eBay store, and that's it. It is that simple, it is that easy. I need just 5 minutes to do this, but if you're a beginner, it will probably take you 20 minutes, maybe even 30 minutes to list your first product. But this is a really, really important tip, really, really important advice that I promised you in the intro. Because this is a new eBay account. you probably won't get any traffic from eBay itself. And that is why you need to start promoting your t-shirt by yourself. You need to start promoting your t-shirt on your other social media, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Tumblr, on YouTube, wherever you can promote until you start getting at least 10 sales per day. Later, eBay will start driving traffic to your items. eBay will do promotion for you, so you don't have to do that. So basically, after that, you will start making passive income with print on demand, because like I said, later, eBay will drive traffic, free traffic, to your eBay store, and you will start making sales. But initially, in the beginning, you need to start driving traffic, you need to start making sales. Otherwise, this won't work. So this is how you dropship print-on-demand products on eBay, totally free in 2023 and 2024. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.